If your notes aren't syncing between your iPhone, iPad and Mac, don't worry. Usually, the problem is caused by a simple iCloud setting, a different Apple account, or the note being saved somewhere other than iCloud. In this video, I will walk you through a few things you can check to get your notes syncing again. Let's start with your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app, tap your name at the top, and then tap on iCloud. Under Save to iCloud or Saved is paused, tap on Notes. On this page, you should make sure Sync this iPhone or Sync this iPad is turned on. If it was already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Give it a moment for your notes to sync. Now switch to your Mac. Open the System Settings and click on your name at the top. Select iCloud and then click on Notes. Make sure Sync this Mac is also enabled. Again, if it's already on, you can turn it off and back on. This can sometimes kickstart the sync process. Another thing that is easy to overlook is the Apple account you are signed into. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings and tap on your name. On your Mac, open System Settings and click your name. Check that you are using the same Apple account on all three devices. If one of the devices is signed into a different account, your iCloud notes won't appear there. Here's another common reason your notes aren't showing up. Open the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad and go back to the main folder screen. Look for a section called iCloud. If your notes are under On My iPhone or On My iPad, those notes aren't being synced through iCloud. You can move a note into an iCloud folder if you want it to appear on your other Apple devices. On a Mac, you can do the same thing by checking the folders in the Notes sidebar and making sure the notes you want to sync are stored under iCloud. You should also check your internet connection. Notes needs an active internet connection to sync changes through iCloud. So if you have made a change on one device and it's not appearing on another, make sure both devices are connected to the internet. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that makes a difference. If everything looks right but Notes still isn't syncing, try restarting your devices. Close the Notes app, restart your iPhone, iPad or Mac, and then open the Notes again. Give it a few moments after restarting. If you have a lot of notes, the sync may take a little while. Finally, make sure your devices are running the latest version of their respective operating systems. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Similarly, on your Mac, go to System Settings, tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. If an update is available, install it and then check Notes again. And that's it. In most cases, getting Notes to sync again comes down to checking that iCloud Notes is enabled, making sure you're using the same Apple account, and confirming that your notes are actually saved in iCloud. If your notes still aren't syncing after trying these steps, leave a comment below and let me know which devices you are using and what you have tried so far. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Apple tips and tutorials, and I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.